For many years, I had no insurance. Even when I worked, I couldn't afford the insurance that was on my job.
The Affordable Care Act changed that, and for Clara, just in time. Her osteoarthritis, long a problem in both of her hips, was getting worse.
Where I couldn't wash myself, I couldn't even stand up.
I remember Clara telling me that she had to sleep in her recliner for months at a time because once she had gotten down the stairs, she couldn't get back up the stairs. She had to have a commode downstairs at her home on the side of her chair to go to the bathroom. And this was all very difficult for her because, as you can see, she's a very proud woman.
And I was at a point where I needed someone to hear how desperate I was.
Clara was giving up, figuring she would simply have to live the rest of her life in pain. That is when she reached out to Neighborhood.
We're advocates ourselves, but we have an arm that extends further than case management. We refer to our member advocate, and I did just that for Clara.
When Yvonne told me about her, I was a little afraid because I knew that she was going to require a lot, but she needed a lot, and I think she needed some nurturing, and sometimes I can be a bit of a nurturer, you know?
Jackie made sure Clara got the surgery she needed, as well as the rehab that followed.
I could tell that she cared about what it is that I was feeling and how and what I needed. Even though I didn't know what I needed, she knew what I needed. She knew how to connect me with the people that I needed to talk to.
Neighborhood recognizes the importance of advocating for our members, not just at the state level, at the state house, but even at the individual level, at the health plan. So, you know, of course, we do health care, right?
To walk in her house and see her walking today is truly a miracle to me. This woman was confined first to a wheelchair and then to a recliner for almost a year.
Clara's wheelchair sits unused these days. She and her husband, David, are about to celebrate their second wedding anniversary, and they can now walk hand in hand for pretty much the first time in their married lives.
Neighborhood was the key to me getting the help that I needed. You know, it's people like Jackie and other people who are in that position who really help people to make the right connections to get what they need.
And she helped me too, because at the same time I needed a knee replacement as she needed a hip replacement. And so we were there kind of for each other almost. We were here for one another.